Hi, this is Christine. Welcome to Scrap and Rabbit. I have another journal in my Etsy shop, and this one measures 9.5 inches tall by 6.5 inches wide, and the spine is about 1.5 inches. I have a pretty little lollipop flower that I made attached to an elastic band just to hold the journal closed. And on the top, this is a really old pillowcase that I found, and it was still brand new, so I tea-dyed it to make it look older. But this is old because this design looks like it was all cross-stitched, and it looks like it was cross-stitched by hand, so I don't think they make too many of these anymore. And that was a very pretty design, so I decided to cut it, and I attached it to the top of the cover, and it goes nicely with the purple of the book. This is a book that I had, and I removed the pages and kept the covers to make this journal. On the side, I've got some textured paper. I don't know if you can see that. There are little golden flecks in there. And I've got some trim on each side. The back is just plain. This isn't stamped or embellished. I have a few pictures of images of flowers in there and birds and butterflies, so I'll go through it fairly quickly just to show you what the inside looks like. Here's the inside cover. I have a bit of trim here, and the spine inside is lined with fabric. And here are the first pages. I've used a lot of plain paper in this journal, and I've got a pocket here that holds an altered envelope, and you can tuck something in here. I just put a piece of cardstock in there. And here I had some pages from these antique books that I had. This one was Great Expectations, and these were over 100 years old, and I used some of the pages that were still in good condition, and I just printed a butterfly on there. So that's just a little embellishment, and it matches with the butterfly on the envelope. I'm not sure how many pages there are in this journal. I will include that number in the listing. There's another page. So there's lots and lots of room for journaling. I do have some scrapbook paper in there, but if you're going to be attaching pictures, I don't think this printer paper is acid-free, so you're going to want to use copies of your photos and keep the originals in a safe space. Here's an envelope that I made, and it's got some two-sided tape you can peel back and seal if you like. And here's another one of these antique pages, and I printed this beautiful peacock from some images that I purchased a while back. These are images of clocks or pocket watches. And this paper has beautiful glitter on it. So it's a pretty plain journal. That way you can embellish as you see fit. Another pretty image of a lady. I've got a little envelope here. Again, you can seal the top of the envelope. And this is just another envelope that you can use as a pocket. And there are 5 signatures in here. And here's a third, and there's another pocket here. Another envelope that I made. These were flowers in my garden. Another envelope. And you can cover these with scrapbook paper if you like, or you can just write on them. That's a pretty glittery paper. An Oliver Twist page. This is a flower that I had drawn. And there's another one of these little envelopes. And here's the inside back cover. Again, you can put a photo here if you like. And that's my journal. Have a nice day. Happy crafting and happy journaling.